Galgotias is one of the universities which provides exposure to the students. However, there is one more factor within a budget, because as we know कि not everyone can afford higher education in prestigious institutions, but Galgotias has given us an option to do so. Campus में तो सबकी अच्छी memories ही होती हैं, like there are many, but yeah, best memory will be I was part of music club.
Hi everyone, this is Arav Gupta, your host for today, and I'm very excited to announce that हर week हम एक alumni interaction session करते हैं. जितने भी सारे लोग गलगोटिया से पास आउट होकर अपनी बढ़िया लाइफ जी रहे होते हैं, इधर वो जॉब कर रहे होते हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप या हायर स्टडीज़, हम उनको होस्ट करते हैं, कैंपस विजिट कराते हैं एंड उनकी मेमोरीज एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. मैम, कोई बेस्ट मेमोरी आपकी यहाँ से कैंपस से?
Okay, कैंपस में तो सबकी अच्छी मेमोरीज ही होती हैं, like there are many, but yeah, best memory will be I was part of music club basically, so jamming with my friends in the campus, that was the best memory I would say.
And कौन सी ईयर से पास आउट हुए थे आप?
मैं अभी 2025 बैच only, yeah.
Crazy. And कहाँ से born and brought up हो?
See, I am from Uttarakhand, and लेकिन parents live in Greater Noida only, so yeah.
क्यों गलगोटियास?
Galgotias, okay. So I believe that when I decided to choose colleges or university for my bachelor's, I wanted something जो कि मुझे exposure दे, and Galgotias is one of the universities which provides exposure to the students. However, there is one more factor within a budget, because as we know कि not everyone can afford higher education in prestigious institutions, but Galgotias has given us an option to do so.
Exactly. Even that was the reason I also joined Galgotias, because of like academics and extracurricular exposures.
Exactly.
So music was your hobby या फिर यहीं आकर recognize करी आपने?
No, I have been doing music for like many years. जब से मैं 2 साल की थी तब से I was on stage. So yeah, but the kind of elevation Galgotias has given me, like going to Battle of Bands at Delhi University, Christ University and outside. So जो एक change आया, again the exposure thing, here I found that, and उससे मेरी जो skill है वो काफ़ी improve हुई है.
School life कैसी थी? School में भी तो I believe बहुत सारे exposure मिलते हैं, वहाँ नहीं हुआ ये सब?
Okay, school, when we talk about school, obviously 10th, 12th boards are the major things for kids these days, earlier as well. So yeah, the exposure was there, but I was academically more oriented, like मैं MUNs में जाया करती थी या फिर श्लोक competitions, so more of the academic kind of things.
क्या गाते हो आप?
Okay, गाती तो it's like Hindi and Bollywood and classical as well, a bit of classical, and obviously pop music.
कोई फेवरेट मेमोरी कि जहाँ आपने कोई स्टेज पे गाया हो, कोई कंपटीशन, कुछ दिमाग में है बढ़िया सा जो लाइफ टाइम याद रहेगा?
फेवरेट मेमोरी, yeah, definitely. So Galgotias में Unifest होता है, right? Not Unifest only. So that was my first time singing on such a big stage, as you know कि कितना बड़ा event होता है वो. So I was so nervous, and I had never seen this much of cameras, lighting and all stuff. मैं बस normally perform करती थी, but after coming here, when I sang and people actually liked it, I could see people like literally saying my name.
Jamming.
It was just on another level.
Tanushree.
Exactly. So yeah, those kind of memories this university has given me. It was just amazing.
आपके मॉम डैड क्या कहते हैं कि क्या 4 साल की लाइफ, पैसे सब कुछ वर्थ इट था उस पे लगाना?
As for the parents, they are actually happy because I also got scholarship from here only. So I'm pursuing my academics. I am doing what I actually want, apart from curriculum as well. So yeah, they were actually happy because उनको कभी ऐसी चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी कि what our kid is doing basically, because they could see she is going to good places and she is gaining the experience which she needs. So yeah, they were satisfied.
Getting you. Lastly, what about the placements?
Last 3, sorry.
What about the placements? Are you placed या क्या कर रहे हो अभी right now?
Definitely. I'm working as a load controller at Indigo Airlines, and currently I'm at Gurugram.
ओके, गुरुग्राम में आपकी कंपनी में जॉब चल रही है. एंड हाउ इज दैट लाइफ गोइंग ऑन? 4 साल कॉलेज लाइफ के बाद ट्रांजिशन टू कॉर्पोरेट.
Yeah, actually that kind of hits everybody, because one day you are just, waking up at 9 a.m. going to classes or maybe bunking some of them, and then suddenly आपको इतने सारी deadlines मिल जाती हैं, आपको एक proper schedule मिल जाता है and everything, and then you need to take care of your health as well. कहाँ पहले मम्मी पापा पीछे भागते थे, अब खुद आपको चीज़ें करनी पड़ रही हैं. So yeah, that was a whole kind of transition. बट ठीक है, टाइम के साथ चीज़ें अडाप्ट करनी, इट्स अ गुड थिंग.
दैट्स रियली नाइस मैम. लास्टली क्या एडवाइसेस आप देना चाहोगे अपकमिंग बैच को?
Advice for the upcoming batch is, see, never stop learning and never complain for anything, बिकॉज आजकल की इंडस्ट्री में क्या है, चीज़ें नई नई आ रही हैं, एवरीथिंग इज़ चेंजिंग, एंड यू विल फाइंड कि आपने एक साल में जो पढ़ा होगा वो माइट बी नेक्स्ट ईयर में कुछ काम का रहे भी नहीं. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू कीप लर्निंग, आप अपस्किलिंग करते रहिए, एंड नेवर कंप्लेन फॉर एनीथिंग, बिकॉज you are getting more than enough, and some people are not even getting these. So yeah, just try to build something of your own as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.